Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Kamaruzaman, and for today, I want to explain about sheet metal fabrication. And this is my group member. Group member name he is Muhammad Faiz bin Roshamidan, and second is Muhammad Haikal bin Kamaruzaman, is me, and for the third is Muhammad Adi Izham bin Azhari. Okay, next. For introduction, this project applies about folding. Sheet metal fabrication is the process of forming metal sheets to the desired shape using different manufacturing methods. Next. This is the material we use during this project, like hand notcher machine, manual sheet bending machine, and the foot shear. Okay, next. We also using the engineer square set, metal ruler, and scriber. And next, rubber mallet and planishing hammer crownet face. The next, straight cut aviation snip, needle file set, and spot welding machine. Okay, next. For the next, I pass to my friend Muhammad Faiz bin Roshamidan. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Roshamidan. I will talking about process of methodology. We received the metal sheet from the lecturer Mr. Hairizal and the head of the laboratory Mr. Shafiq. Cut the sheet of metal and divide into 8 groups. Cut sheet metal into smaller pieces according to the size of the project. Measure and mark according to the measurement given using a metal roller and a scriber. Cut the sheet metal using a foot shear. Divide it into 2 parts, the top and bottom, using a hand notcher. Cut in the lower body, making the width. Cut again at the bottom with a different size. Cut at the top right and left by making a 120-degree angle. Cut in the top center. Cut 8 corners 10 mm and 4 corners 17 mm. Make a 1/8 between the upper body and the lower body using straight cut aviation snips, finishing the project by using needle files to remove the sharp cutting edge, bending 180 degrees backwards on the lower body at the width by using a manual sheet bending machine. Okay, bend the edge 90 degrees at the top, left and right. Bend 90 degrees on the lower body width. Step a little on the 180 degree bend part to make a knit by using a rubber mallet. Okay, we will go to the next part is cover. Measure and mark according to the measurements given using a metal ruler and scriber. According to the length measurement. Cut the width using a hand notcher. Cut 4 corners 10 mm. Bend 180 degree on the top edge using manual sheet bending method. Bend 90 degree on the left and right edge. Step to close using planishing hammer front press. Okay, we will go to the next part is spot weld body and cover. We received instruction from Mr. Naim on how to use the spot weld machine. Turn the main switch on. Between the 2 electrode tongs, Place the metal, keep the metal honest. Hold the metal with one hand while pressing the handle down with the other. To close the tongs, depress the handle. To close the tongs, squeeze the machine's handle. In a few seconds, you see that the metal is beginning to heat up. Holding down the handle for 3 to 5 seconds will fuse the metal together. Remove the metal and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Once the metal has cooled, use a clean cloth to wipe. Okay, I will pass to Adik Izham.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alizam bin Azali. I want to take over this slide, result and discussion. First, work result. Result from the Stackable storage bin project, we can lead to use hand tool and how to operate machine. Example for hand tool such as elbow, spray, iron ruler, and rubber hammer. And example for machine use are manual folding machine, hand notcher machine, and spot welding machine. Second, problem at work. We found some identified problems such as using a hand notcher machine because it made a web process difficult to cutting corner and the cutting space was not enough. Third proposal. A way suggestion is a way to solve the problem for cutting the galvanized plate and cutting corner by using a laser cutting machine because it made it easier for use to cut corner and cut other part at the same time. At the next slide, I will to pass Muhammad Aikan.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, for the conclusion is when carrying out this project, you can also add more skills to yourself as well as experience when you are in the world of work. And the second is when we want to carry out a project, we also need to prioritize safety and wear complete safety clothing to avoid accident. This is because all the equipment or machines used are very dangerous to humans because they have sharp properties that can cause of cuts. Okay, for the third is for the use of spot welding, we need to have skills and experience because the risk of damage can be high. Current and voltage must be adjusted first for the purpose of preventing leakage in the project. Okay, next. Okay, this is our reference like hand notcher, manual slip roll function, spot welding, and striper function. Okay, for the next. This is our appendix. For appendix A, show the size of the project, while appendix B is a picture of my group. Okay, for the next. Okay. Thank you. Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.